Hey, this is Chip from Chip's Garage. We brought the Nova in today. We replaced the idler arm on it. We had a little front end wander. I had it up on the lift, and we noticed that the rubber bushings were wore out on the idler arm that was on the car. So I purchased one off from CPP online from Summit Racing, and we got her installed. Went in pretty easy. So we're working on replacing this idler arm, and you can tell I'm putting a little bit of force on there that these bushings are wore out. So I'm getting a little front end wander on when I'm driving. So I think this is our culprit, and we're going to replace this bad boy. And I bought one CPP, and here it is. It doesn't have rubber bushings, and it's pretty tight, so hopefully this will eliminate the front end wander that we're experiencing. We're going to drop the bracket right off the frame. Alright, so we got this loose from the frame. 4 bolts. And now we're going to remove the idler arm from the center drag link. So we're going to remove the cotter pin. And then hopefully we can just bolt it and pull it out. We'll take our separating tool, our pickle fork.
Let's see if we can separate these.
Everything disassembled. The bushing coming out of here, we had to heat it up and drive it out, so that took a little time, so that wasn't easy, but we got it out. Now we're just bolting the bracket up to the frame. mounted to the frame. Now we got to drive the center link to the idler arm. And that's what we lack. Maybe easier said than done. Don't tighten the bracket all the way up till you get this connection made. And then we'll loosen it, or not tighten these up, we'll tighten it all up at the same time. Alright, we got this tight, we got our bracket tight, Oh wow. We removed a lot of the slop. You don't see any of the slop that was in there before. So I think that did the trick. Let's see, oh, that's good. Cool. All right, so we removed our slop, the old rubber bushings, wore out. And you can see, just they were all deteriorated and wore out, and that was causing a little slop on the front end. So we bought a kit, the new deluxe idler arm off of CPP, and I purchased it for Summit Racing. They had it on sale. It's a pretty straightforward job. The only problem we had was getting the old bushing out of the center link. We had to heat it up, drive it out with but we got it out. Just a little extra time we didn't even think about. But it looks good. We'll take it on the road and see how she does. Thank you. All right, we just replaced the idler arm on the car, and we're taking it out for a test drive. So, looks like it's running pretty smooth, running straight. No front end wander. It's not drifting from side to side. One of these days we'll do a video on replacing the rubber on the windows. I think it fixed it. I'm happy with it.